I have decided that the bad content should stop. So I have invested in a small baby. This is the ring light delivered delivered by Jumia Uganda. So I want us to unbox this small baby. And of course, from today onwards, I want to make contents that have sufficient light. I have invested more on these, some of the things that make you have good content. More are still on the way, they're still coming. I'm actually utilizing their program of Black Friday, so where they put their prices a little bit lower. So this one has costed me about $10, yes, about $10. In Uganda shillings, about 35, around 35. Yeah, so I think it's going to be a good thing. I haven't used it before, so let's first unbox it and we'll see what it is inside. The ring light. Hope they have not deceived me, as they are the most trusted online market in our country, Uganda. I've done shopping with them. They don't disappoint, and also if they disappoint you. So this is it in the box. This is it in the box. It's a small one, though I am sure it has there are very many specifications. So on the box here it's written, feel light and beauty face. Oh, beauty face. Make face and high in beauty. Night core extreme. I don't understand that. Multicolor and temperature. Oh, multicolor. Okay. Let's open and see what is inside, and we can prove whatever is written on the box. Oh, okay. There you go. Oh, take a look at this. Ah, sorry. Take a look at this. Let's see. Let me open it, as you see. Oh, yeah. So this is the ring light, and this is its tripod stand. This one is for the table. You just, I think you put it on the table and use it. It's not for content where you're going to interview people on the street, where you're going to host an artist. It's for simple content, maybe when you're doing podcast or a talk show kind of. So this is the tripod for the table. This is the mount, I think. You roll this here. Yes. Okay. And I think you bring this. Are you sure? Let's first do this. I'm learning, so bear with me. I'm also just learning. I also don't know it. Then oh, okay. You have to do this, I think. Is this? I don't get this. Hope they have given me everything. So I think this. What? I'm failing. Okay. I guess some things have fallen down. This can't be the rest. Just bear with me. I'm learning with you. Oh. But nevertheless, I'm going to figure out how to make it work. must figure out how it's gonna work. Let me first remove this and I see how it can be done. I figure out how it, no, this is not for here. This should have been. Figure out how it's going to work. I must figure it out. I'm sure this must be here. And could this be here? Oh yes, oh yes, I got it. I've got it. So this is it. On your table, there you go. Then you, my gentleman, I'm sure you must be entering here. Why are you failing? Nevertheless, this is where you plug the phone, in case you're using the phone. But I have another tripod stand for the phone, for the cameras. It's what my iPhone 12 is standing on, though I have a camera coming on the way. So I think this comes here, but I'll figure out how to do it at a later time. So don't worry about that. That is it, guys. This is the tripod. I mean, this is the ring light. So what happens, you plug this on your computer, whatsoever it is, as a source of light, and yeah, you're gonna have the light shining. Okay, thank you for being with me, and let's look forward to having my content. I'm going to start right away. From before Christmas, you're going to have a lot of content on my channel. Just make sure you subscribe, and let's grow together. Thank you.